Hey guys, it's a quick video for those of you who have a Honda Accord 2005. I think it's, yeah, this is 2003 all the way to 2006. I think they are the same. And if you're looking for the drain clog for the transmission, it's very easy. So I'm doing an oil change here, so I decided to just go ahead and show you guys. So you see here, the first thing is this plate here. That's the oil pan, and so the drain clog is right. It's right here. Right now it's removed because I'm doing an oil change, and then for the transmission, this is where it is, right here. Okay, see, it looks a little bit different from the drain plug for the oil. So the transmission is right here. So if you're looking for it, okay, this is where it is. You remove that and you will drain all the transmission fluid. And make sure you have the right fluid. And if to know what type of fluid you need, you can go online, since you're already online, and also consult with your user manual. It will tell you, or if you don't have one, you can always call the dealership and they'll tell you. Now, for you who are doing this for the very first time, you may wonder, but where do I refill it? So you refill it in the same hole where you check your fluid level for the transmission. Okay, you pull this out and then you fill it up. So, and how many quarts do you need? It all depends on how many quarts you took out of the vehicle. And also, if you don't remember how many quarts, if you can measure the quarts you took out, just go ahead and put 3 quarts and then check it and remove this thing here, okay, and check the level. It will tell you if it's full or not, okay, and that's how you know how much to put in the vehicle. All right, thanks for watching.